India and which country adopted the Innovation Roadmap 2030 during PM Modi's bilateral talks in June 2026? Option A Germany, option B France, option C United Kingdom, option D Japan. Answer option B France. India and France adopted the Innovation Roadmap 2030 and launched a new dialogue on economic security during discussion between PM Narendra Modi and French President. France is India's oldest strategic planner in Europe. Which state launched the Breakfast and Meal Scheme for students from pre-primary to class 12 in June 2026? Option A Karnataka, option B Andhra Pradesh, option C Telangana, option D Odisha. Answer option C Telangana. Telangana government launched the Breakfast and Meal Scheme, providing breakfast, milk and ragi to students in government school and junior colleges from pre-primary to class 12. The scheme was launched when school reopened after summer vacations. What is the annual coverage amount per family under Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister's cashless medical scheme for teachers? Option A 2 lakh, option B 3 lakh, option C 5 lakh, option D 10 lakh. Answer option C 5 lakh. UP's Chief Minister's cashless medical scheme provides rupees 5 lakh coverage per family annually for 15 lakh teachers and dependents across government and private hospitals. The scheme has a financial outlay of rupees 448 crore and was announced on September 5, 2025. India hosted Global Wind Day 2026 conference in Goa under which theme? Option A Wind Power for All, option B From Ambition to Acceleration, option C Green Energy Revolution, option D Sustainable Wind Future. Answer option B From Ambition to Acceleration. India hosted Global Wind Day 2026 in Goa under the theme Wind Energy From Ambition to Acceleration. India ranks 4th globally. Gujarat is the top state. Which portal was launched by Uttar Pradesh for teachers under the cashless medical scheme? Answer option A cmtcts.upsdc.gov.in. UP government launched the portal for teachers under Chief Minister's cashless medical scheme. The portal enables cashless medical treatment for 15 lakh teachers and their dependent with 5 lakh annual coverage per family. What is India's global ranking in installed wind power capacity? Option A 2nd, option B 3rd, option C 4th, option D 5th. Answer option C 4th. India ranks 4th globally in installed wind power capacity, with Rajasthan has the highest potential. Which country is the origin of MIPRO X6 telescopic day sight technology? Option A USA, option B Russia, option C Israel, option D Germany. Answer option C Israel. What is the name of the India-French bilateral platform for innovation and technology collaboration? Option A India-France Tech Bridge. Option B India-France ATL Bridge. Option C Innovation Partnership India-France. Option D France-India Innovation Hub. Answer option B India-France ATL Bridge. India-France ATL Bridge is bilateral platform established between the Atal Innovation Mission and Niti Aayog and LA Foundation. It strengthens innovation, education, technology collaboration, linking school-level innovators from both countries. What international day is observed on June 16 globally? Option A World Refill Day. Option B International Day of Family Remittances. Option C Arborist Appreciation Day. Option D Blooms Day. Answer option B International Day of Family Remittances. June 16 is observed as the International Day of Family Remittances, acknowledging migrant workers who financially support families back home. This global recognizes the economic contribution,